And now for something completely different.
Guys, Michael Bolton is here.
Oh, great. Send him in.
Hey, guys.
Hey, thanks for coming.
I'm really sorry I'm late. I just got caught up watching the Pirates of the Caribbean marathon. Have you seen those things?
Oh, yeah. Those are great.
Well, I listened to your track, and I loved it. And I wrote you this big, sexy hook I think you're going to really dig.
Oh, wow, that's great. You want to just lay it down?
Boys, let's get to it.
Here we go. Lonely Island, Michael Bolton. Night starts together on the track. The boys are back. The night starts now. Night starts now, baby, roll with us. Chicken snapping at the neck when we rolling up. Blow through the doors, ain't no holding up. Black card at the bar like I gives a fuck.
Ladies shit the eye when we walk into the set. Fuck the fellas looking jealous, play the back and get wet. 3 pound in my waist, shank in my sock. You either get cut, get stuffed, or get shot.
This is the tale of Captain Jack Sparrow, pirate so brave on the 7 seas.
What?
A mystical quest to the isle of Tortuga, raving like sway on the ocean breeze. Yeah, that was kinda weird, but we're back in the club, buying up the bar so the groupie show us love. Motherfucking Iceman, I'm the top gunner. Heater on blast, I'm the #1 stunner. Watch it, girl, cause I ain't your Mr. Nice Guy. More like the meet you, take you home and fuck you twice, guy. All dressed up with nowhere to run. I know I make you feel crazy. Now back to the good part. He was born, he yearned for adventure. Oh, Captain Jack, giving them what for. He's the pauper of the surf, the jester of Tortuga. Davy Jones' locker, what lies in store? Yeah, seen the movie. Put your hands in the air and say hell yeah. Come on. Captain Jack, what? Johnny Depp.
No. From the front to the back, say we count stacks. Come on.
David Jones, Giant Squid. Michael Bolton, we're really gonna need you to focus up. Roger that, let me try with another film. Wait. Life is a box of chocolates, and my name is Forrest Gump. Not better. Though I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, I give Jenny all my love. Come on. Okay, then I'm a legal aid. Aaron Brockovich is my name. Oh, God. Then you can call me Scarface, snorting mountains of cocaine. You cockroaches wanna play rough? Okay, I'm reloaded. This is the tale of Tony Montana. Cubano flame with Miami nuts. On a base and white, a room is polluted. This whole town's a pussy, just waiting to get by. Turns out Michael Bolton is a major cinephile. You complete me.
What did this video do for you? Did you laugh? They say laughter is the best medicine. Humor is infectious. The sound of roaring laughter is far more contagious than any cough, sniffle, or sneeze. When laughter is shared, it binds people together and increases happiness and intimacy. In addition to the domino effect of joy and amusement, laughter also triggers healthy physical changes in the body. Humor and laughter strengthen your immune system, boost your energy, diminish pain, and protect you from the damaging effects of stress. Best of all, this priceless medicine is fun, free, and easy to use. There's little data on the effects of laughter on the brain. It is suggested that laughter helps regulate certain neurotransmitters like dopamine or serotonin. Several studies have shown that a positive attitude or emotional state can boost your chances of surviving cancer. In one study, among patients with metastatic spreading cancers, those who expressed greater hope at the time of their diagnosis survived longer. In another study, over 400 reports of spontaneous remission of cancer were reviewed and analyzed. The patients themselves attributed their cure to a broad range of causes, but only one factor was common to all the cases: a shift toward greater hope and a positive attitude.